Be advised, we have a visual on enemy paratroopers at grid, Papa uniform 259er, 119er. They don't know we're onto them. Break. Jump!
When I was a kid, I used to imagine these monsters not just attacking the city, communicating with each other. Multiple monsters in just one city to plan something. And when I was little, I used to imagine this stuff, and I was right. These things out there are just gonna attack the whole entire world. And we're not going to be alive to see it all happen. So if we want to keep this world to ourselves, with no monsters, we best be killing them all. And if we don't stop them, there's going to be more out there. More and more and more. And you're not gonna see it because you're not gonna be alive. Just like them. Just like them.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Gotta focus. Radar says it's around here.
So, why am I here again?
I've been looking for hours now. Hours.
So if you think those other Godzillas are gonna be here protecting our world, and this Godzilla's just here destroying things, what makes you think they'll protect our world? You don't know about those monsters yet, don't you?
This message is transmitted at the
No puedes hacer eso.
See this? It's a cycle. I'm sure you know about Godzilla.
That's not really a Godzilla. People just, well, described it as a Godzilla. So why am I here again?
You know about them as much as I do. The monsters.
This one organization called Nictorious is responsible for keeping the existence of Godzilla. And I'm telling you guys can't hide this stuff forever. There's gonna be millions of people around the world figuring out this stuff. It can't be earthquakes, it can't be tsunamis, it can't be a tornado. It's the monsters that are causing all of this. The news is gonna show it, social medias are gonna show it, even parents with kids watching it with their own eyes from their home. Then they're gonna start multiplying.
The king will rise for what he lives for. He'll destroy the world. And there's nothing you can do about it.
That's not really a Godzilla.
Oh, it is Godzilla. Oh, no. It wasn't an attack.
Monsters? You mean big creatures walking around the Earth? Today's the day. Today's the day we fight for our city. And fight for civilians. No, not just that. Today we fight for our world. We are not just going against another country. We are going against Godzilla.
I just don't get it. I've been looking for hours now. Hours. Nothing. Not one thing. Nothing at all.
Gotta focus. Radar says it's around here. It's gotta be.
I found it. I found it. Oh my gosh, I found it. My gosh, it's incredible. After all these years.
You got some interesting paintings here. They're all very, unique. So, what's with all the prehistoric stuff? You know, the models. The odd paintings. Is there something you like? Is this a hobby?
Don't play dumb with me.
Excuse me?
You know about them as much as I do. The monsters.
Monsters? You mean big creatures walking around the Earth? You're crazy. There's no monsters on this planet.
Really? Take a look at this painting over here. See this? It's a cycle. I'm sure you know about Godzilla.
Why are you studying these creatures?
Glad you asked. I studied the Godzilla named Rise Gojiri. Right here, Gojiri is the oldest Godzilla on Earth. He's been around before the dinosaurs. Before anything, really.
How come he attacked?
Oh, no. It wasn't an attack. It was to save a city from a monster named Ziltrodon.
That's not really a Godzilla. People just, well, described it as a Godzilla.
Oh, it is Godzilla. Trust me. I've seen him. That's when he was saving us. But this Godzilla won't be around much longer. He's a really old fella. That's why when he dies, there will be a younger one taking his place as a god.
Well, sorry I lied to you. I did not know much about this Godzilla that attacked in 2016, but we have bigger things on our hands. It's the big Godzilla, the other one.
The ones that have been following Rise Gojira, but the one Godzilla that is going crazy right now is him. Since you guys dropped another nuclear bomb, the king will rise for what he lives for. He'll destroy the world, and there's nothing you can do about it. We're in big trouble. You don't know what we are dealing with. You see? What did I tell you? We are all going to die.
today's the day. Today's the day we fight for our city. And fight for civilians. No, not just that. Today we fight for our world. We are not just going against another country. We are going against Godzilla.
There's two of these things now.
Are you kidding me? Don't worry, we got this. You're not on the trigger.
Oh, Yeah, I knew that.
Can it die? We lost so many lives that day. We can't afford to lose more.
Yeah, I understand.
So, John, how you been?
But, if this country falls in the depths of hell or not, I'll be by your side.
This Godzilla is really different from the others. The people I worked with in the past says this Godzilla is dead.
You bastard! You will pay for what you have done. Those Godzillas will kill you.
You think these monsters deserve a chance on this planet?
Those Godzillas will kill you.
So, why am I here again?
Remember, man, there's a bunch of monsters out there. Many monsters. And there's one specific monster Godzilla's been looking for the past years. Millions of years. He's finally gonna find him. Look at this, guys. Over here burning a fire truck. Gosh. Buildings that you've seen in Force of Nature Chapter 2 are totally burned. Gonna be doing that more often. But, yeah, this fire truck is burning. I don't know if it's gonna explode in front of my face. This is literally 16 minutes of footage for Chapter 3. Here's Godzilla 2000. Jesus Christ, the smoke. But this is, I'm filming right now in May. In like a good, like, I don't know how many minutes, like 2 minutes. The fire truck has finally stopped burning. Now this could be a good prop for another future film. Literally, I almost, guys, I literally almost burned this building. This is one of the buildings I made. And I almost burned it down, as you guys can see, kind of right there. It's kind of just burned right there. Almost burned it down, because it was right next to this cardboard box, or not cardboard box, but it's featured on a bunch of my other films, and I literally burned it. Gosh, it's already to ashes. It literally caught on fire with this, and this, you guys can see a little bit got burned right there too. And this, it almost burned this down, and I was like, no, but you know, you gotta do what you have to do just to get a perfect film. And I didn't freak out, I didn't go like all crazy, it was just like, oh crap, my building, but I let it burn and see what happens, and if it did burn, I would've got more good footage. So, I don't want to touch that because that might be hot. Yeah, it's hot, guys. So that's burned to pieces, the tires have melted. So many things have melted right there. I'm telling you guys, Force of Nature Chapter 3 is going to be pretty good. This is like the ending scene. As I think I'm done filming for today. The last shots I really want to do, or really want to get, is Godzilla 2000. The video right now is 19 minutes. This is how much footage I have of this freaking film. Right now, I just filmed a couple scenes, and I already have 19 minutes full of footage, so... And good thing I almost didn't burn this SH monster, it's Godzilla 2000, because that would have been pretty bad. I did not want these bridges to fall over. I kind of wanted to be standing up, you know. So yeah guys, I'm guessing this is the first behind the scenes for Godzilla the Force of Nature Chapter 3. Alright guys, I'm gonna start heading out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the material for making prehistoric goji. It's a foam. I got this idea from over here, guys. This side of my room, it's like my window over here, and I saw this foam here, and it's hard. It feels like, you know, a figure or something, right? And I was like, I can use this to make something, right? Like a puppet or something. And I thought I can use it for prehistoric goji. And that's exactly what I did, guys. Well, this is one of the prototypes, guys. Sucks. I know, it does suck. Look at this. It's one of the prototypes, guys. It really sucks, to be honest. Yeah, guys, but most of the filming has started really... Okay. Story is going great, guys. I really have improved the story a lot in this film. And I just wanted to stay away from the monsters as much as possible in this film. This is going to be a really good human drama story and a thriller, you know? Alright guys, we are back here, and look, the foam has pretty much hardened. And look at this, guys, it's kind of weird. Look at that. I should be able to carve it soon. I'm just going to let it harden a little bit more because, you know, it's kind of see how all the goo comes out and stuff. Look at that. I could make this an arm, guys. Look at this. I can make a big arm out of this. This right here is gonna be the head. JK, yeet. Alright guys, so what I figured out is that at first I was gonna do a body, right? But what I can do is make a puppet as well, because I figured out this material is pretty good actually, guys. So it's kind of like hard. It's like a really nice hard material. And what I'm going to do is make a puppet, and it's really, really good. I can actually use this for a lot of things. So right now I'm making a jaw for prehistoric goji. Prehistoric goji is going to be pretty scary, guys. I mean, in my opinion, I'm going to add a lot more teeth. It's basically not really a resurgence thing, but it's going to be like kind of like an alien, predator, monster, just an alien outside from this world, and that's what I want to make prehistoric goji. But I'm still gonna make him truthful to his original design and the original creator of prehistoric goji. So, alright guys, so this is what prehistoric goji is looking like right now, and you guys can actually really tell it does look like an actual dinosaur. Like look at this. It looks like a T-Rex sort of. Yeah, guys, if it isn't obvious enough, I used toothpicks for the teeth. Prehistoric goji does have really sharp teeth, so I use toothpicks for it. Yeah, guys, you know what sucks though is that when I was working on this, guys, this is one side. I still got to do the other side. As you guys can see, the other side looks like boo-boo. Oh, guys, look at that! I finally took this out. It like came out as a now it's easy just to. Yeah, I just took it out. It was cool when I took it off. Satisfying. But yeah, guys, what sucked was that I was carrying the puppet. And I didn't realize that it was still like kind of like gooey in a way, and I was carrying it over my laptop, and boom, look at that, guys, it dropped all the goo. Let me bring the light over here. Look at that, guys. Now it's literally hard. It's a cement, and I got it all over my fingers too, and it's really hard to take off my fingers. It's like, it's really irritating me right now. I think I'm just gonna be taking a break for today, and then actually maybe I'm just gonna do the other side so it can be ready for tomorrow, so I can actually stick all that together. And this is what prehistoric goji's skin is gonna look like too, all rough and all that, and all the intestines or the flesh just hanging like that. Prehistoric goji also needs to have his mouth wide open too, because his atomic breath, guys, is pretty powerful actually. And you guys will see how powerful it is in chapter 3, because it's a pretty crazy scene. Guys, that is all for that's all behind the scenes I got for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.